Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will start with Essentials. Confirm the exact place Bing appears, the Chrome address bar, Google, Com search, or the browser home. Once identified, sign into your Chrome or Google account and pause sync so local changes don't propagate unexpectedly. Now open Settings, go straight to Search Engine Options, and choose Google as default. You're taking control. This prevents new searches from routing to Bing. Make sure extensions are closed, because they can reapply search overrides while you change defaults. Once done with defaults, inspect the search engine's management panel. You'll see a list. Remove any Bing, Com, or Bing entries explicitly so they can't reappear. Next, go to Extensions and disable or uninstall anything that claims to change search. Adware and some toolbars do this silently. Then clear cookies, cache, and site-specific settings for search providers so leftover redirects stop. If your browser offers a reset option, use it. It cleans stubborn policies and returns settings to a known good state. To finish, restart the browser and run a few searches from the address bar and from Google. Com to verify results come from Google. If Bing still appears, examine OS-level search handlers, Windows group policies, or your router's DNS. Corporate or rogue policies can force Bing. If needed, run an anti-malware and unwanted programs scan. Many hijackers install small helpers. One troubleshooting tip: create a fresh browser profile. If that resolves it, migrate bookmarks and remove the old profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.